It's 5 AM and we are about to head off to Lisbon. I don't know if you can hear me, don't want to wake anyone else up, but me and my 2 daughters are off to Lisbon for a 3-night, 4-day break. See you at the airport. So we're at the airport at Lyon, and Edie's bag dropped on the floor, flew open, and her retainers slid across the floor for everybody to see. Stand still.
I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's just the funniest thing. You think that's how I actually styled it. Hello!
On the plate. Ginger shot. Never had one before. Smelly tuna and egg bowl.
With onion.
I can whiff everybody out.
Whiffy!
Whiffy!
Right in my spot.
Partner unit holding the 3 because the 0 is the first.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this.
Is the first, second, third, fourth.
This is where we're staying, right on the top floor. We've heard this is really good for pastel de nata, so we are going to get one while we're looking around for somewhere to have a drink. It's actually quite warm, and this is really busy because there's loads of people waiting to do the same as us.
What, they're called pastries?
4?
Yeah, we did get 4 actually. Manti Nigara? Oh, they're really soft. Can't get it out. Neither.
No.
I can't get it out. Taste test.
Are you going first?
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Wait to have that together. Oh my god, I could eat like 5 of those. Isn't that incredible? Oh my god, the pastry. Yeah? That is absolutely delicious, isn't it? That is... Oh, it's all down the sides too. Oh, stop. Hello. Thank you.
Hello.
Saturday bodysuit. Yeah. A bit delicious. Delicious. Oh shit. Just pulled that one down. This way, Miles. I think this might be where you pick them up. Are yours? Yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Oh, yeah? Yummy.
It's a good choice then.
Yeah, excellent. You'll try?
Yeah? I'd love to try, thank you.
Molly's desperate for some trouble she likes.
Ooh. Our black fork this evening. Like, we think this is what it is. No, I think it's that. I think it's the more the willy. They're big, aren't they? What are the balls? Oh. You two are big, to be fair. Oh my god, look. Molly, about the black sauce. Molly's competition of it, actually. Hello. What? I don't understand. What?
They're big on my...
Off the cheese lady.
Oh yes, please, cheese lady.
Best cheese off the wall.
Thank you. I do.
You love that cheese. It's
I like
very
cheese.
cheesy. Wait, she can have it. I'll just try a little bit. That's so cheesy.
Try this one like it.
Oh yes, I'll try
Yeah,
this.
this
Thank
one
you.
is like it.
What's that?
Thank
I don't need dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you, lady.
Oh. Oh yes.
All with my hand.
That's what I was going to order tonight. Now I've tasted a load of meat and cheese and lumber. That's really good. The bracelets are cute.
I like this one.
Yeah, me too.
And I can adjust a little bit.
How many bags do we need then?
One.
Here we all
We're gonna get
are.
some delicious food. Yeah, all in the same outfits we've worn
Although,
all day, but
all
we
we've
haven't got
changed.
changed. All we've been talking about is chicken and
car
chips.
coming.
Like that.
And
We're not going for chicken
We're
chips.
not going for chicken
I think
chips.
I'm going for a charcuterie board because I think that's all I like.
We might go for chicken chips tomorrow.
do
Also,
sort
we've
of
heard of a
want
place
prawns.
that just does rice and seafood.
basically, I think it's paella really. Is
Yeah,
it?
I'm not really fussed about that,
That would
but I'll
be
come
nice.
with you two.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
what's it?
down below our place where we're staying.
Okay,
fish
so
restaurant.
question.
That might be it.
No, I was going to say that. So, if any of your followers know what black
Pig is.
pig?
I told you earlier.
Pork. What is it? Yeah,
I
but
bet-
I told you they
Ram.
eat acorns and they're more nutty.
acorns.
Acorns.
Acorn eaters.
Acorn.
Acorn eaters.
Oh, let's get in.
Come on, Mum.
Yeah. Can I have that?
As a child, though.
You don't. You just sit there.
Yeah, it's a lesson.
Okay, fine.
So we're at this ginger bar where apparently you have these little shots and you sip them for as long as you enjoy them.
Sauji.
Sauji.
It's Sawuji. Sawuji.
To Sauji.
No, it's Sawuji.
Sauji.
So-
Taste?
Yeah, I have maybe tasted it already, and I'm not sure how I felt.
No, I like it. Who's well here?
Oh, it's quite good.
Oh, it's quite.
So we're just getting ready to go out for the day. It's a bit drizzly, so this is Good Friday now. It's a little bit wet and damp. Tonal matching today.
Yeah.
Casual. Molly's thinking there's definitely going to be some sunshine today.
Coming to do my hair.
Just comes to her hair. We've got some music on. We're going to go out for some brunch.
Right now.
So as I said, we were heading to the coast, but we might wait.
Did a smell downstairs.
Had to change my
Shoes because they're skiddy.
And I'm wearing impractical shoes.
Basically, we're all wearing the summariest outfits and it's full on
It was so cheap. It's gonna
rain. It's glorious out here.
Oh no, my shoes, girls. This is really bad.
Quite sweet. That's
So
almost like
this
it's
could be the best chai latte I've ever had in my life. Edie said it's lovely, but a bit strong.
strong, but that's because we're not big coffee drinkers.
I basically
just like you now.
And then we have ordered this pistachio croissant, which who's going to cut it? Because
Chocolate on it as well.
is that?
Yeah.
Ugh, there's a fly around me.
Here we are, we've arrived by Uber to the Time Out Market. We're going to be doing some wine tasting before we choose what we're going to drink. This is the first
I mean, we're
one.
definitely not wine tasters, but... Okay.
This is
That should have been more
this is
sour.
the second
This
one.
one.
This is 100% Alvarinho. Vinho
Oh,
verde.
this is what we were drinking yesterday.
Oh, this smells like olives.
We
Like that one.
but that's
Really
what we have
fresh.
been drinking, so...
Just one fermentation, so it's very it's a few bubbles.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Good to try some Asian food in Lisbon. We've gone with some vegan or vegetarian?
Vegan.
Vegan gyoza, shrimp baobab, and a brisket baobab.
Oh no.
Nice. We get the train to Cascais, and we're probably going to do Sintra at the same time because we're the right side for it. So we're going to get a train. I think it's about 30 to 40 minutes to get us there. The sun has come out finally. We could get scooters.
40-minute train, Mum.
Yeah, I do know. So that's what we're doing. So we're getting the train. We don't know where we're going. We're just going to ask at the tickets office where we need to go. And apparently it's really beautiful views from the train. So watch this space. our tickets for the train.
3 singles.
Singles.
3 singles
quite
we
know
got,
what that
which
much
I think are
paperwork.
here, and I don't understand it. Oh my god.
We've got a little train drink.
Super bonk.
We've arrived in Cascais. Pina colada.
Oh no.
Beautiful.
Your hair. Oh no. Oh no. I think that's olives. Oh, this sun is lovely. That girl's in a bikini.
We're on the beach, Molly, feet in.
On the beach with our sangria.
On the beach. Woohoo. Cheers, guys. The beach where we were sitting in our
With our bare feet.
tops on.
Christ.
And now we're back with the brollies up and the coats back on.
Where are you going in?
We're back in a cab and we are off to is it Sintra? Sintra.
There was a driver that said you can't do it all in one day.
But we're doing
with
it.
everything else that we did. But we're doing it.
Because we saw lots of culture. We sat on the beach. We drank sangria.
We do want an ice cream, but everywhere we go to choose an ice cream, Molly's like, you can do that.
Yeah, so we haven't had an ice cream yet, but we
I just feel
are
like you haven't found the right authentic one.
okay, very close to that. What flavour ice cream do you have?
Pistachio.
Mas não custa tentar, tentei mudar de mundo, ela só não roda.
I love our pasta donata. Pasta donata.
Sem o que, nem pra...
We've come into the fish kind of shop. Fantastic world of Portuguese sardine. And you can get everything, but they're really expensive. Like €15. We're trying another pastel nata. Sharon. Try it.
Oh, you got one too?
7:20 Friday night. We've just arrived back at our apartment. We've got some Aperols on the go. We've got some crisps on the go. We've got these little fridge magnets. The girls bought me one. We've all got one each. We're going to sit and then we're going to go for Portuguese chicken and chips. We've all come back to put our cardies on because now the sun's gone in. It's a little bit chillsome. But the rain did stop and we did get some sunshine.